Hello friends, this is Ashish and I welcome you all to our Stock Genie YouTube channel. And today let's understand that what data is saying for tomorrow, and we'll do the option chain analysis and understand that how the Nifty can move tomorrow. And if you have not watched previous videos, so you can come our YouTube channel and see those videos and you can learn that how to do the option chain analysis. Every single day I post one video after the market hour so that you can understand that how Nifty can behave, and apart from that you will also learn that how to do the live analysis with this data. So you can see all those video here, you can come and check. So let's move to the option chain analysis and understand that how Nifty is going to move tomorrow. So it is very simple. You can see that if what we monitor, if you noticed today one thing, that like I mentioned yesterday Nifty analysis video, that there are very limited upside moment we can see, and the same thing happened today also. So we have seen upside momentum, but that was very limited, because I was thinking as per the data yesterday that Nifty can show some bearishness because of news floating, but clarification came out that no account was freezed for Adani groups, and all those things clarified that what happened and what because we have seen there are a lot of panic in the market yesterday in initial hour, but we have seen all those news which was floated, that was all those things clarified that what happened. Then after, Nifty started moving upwards. And let's talk about the data today, that what exactly the data showing, so that you can plan out your next moment for tomorrow. So as you know that today the market opened at 15,866 around, and then after it went just 40 points up, it went till 15,901, and it made all-time high obviously. And then after we have seen it, Nifty all the day traded around 30 to 40 points movement, so there was no such movements we have seen today. But let's understand that what is the possibility for tomorrow. Like yesterday we have seen the data that for today, that the momentum is upside momentum is very limited. Let's understand today's data so that we can understand that how the data is creating for tomorrow. So as you know that 15,850 is our ATM price, and if what we exactly monitor, we monitor 3 price down, 3 strike price up to get the momentum for the next day. So let's discuss about first ATM, what happened at ATM. So if you will see that ATM, we see it is short covering. So this is some interesting. That means on ATM level, if you see any side, if you see short covering, that means the traders are losing confidence. So even on this ATM level, and if you go to the ITM prices, you also see all these 3 strike price. If you will see here, so we see the short covering. That means traders are losing confidence from the bearish momentum, and they think that Nifty will go up. So now let's think that if they think Nifty will go up, so at what extent Nifty will go up. All right. So okay, so now let's check where is the maximum OI. So till where Nifty can move up. So for that, let's understand. Let's see where is the maximum OI is created. So if we see that the first, we can see it at which strike price at 16,000, we can see the maximum OI is 55,378, and if you go a bit near to the ATM, you will see 46,000 at 15,900. So this is important to understand that even Nifty is around 15,850, still we have some hurdle at 15,900. So if 15,900 breaks, then we can see 16,000 is there. So what you need to understand here, that Nifty looks positive after seeing this call OI data, because we see this short covering all the item levels, that gives a confidence the Nifty can move further up. And at 15,900 there is some hurdle. So if it breaks at 15,900, because there is a high possibility that it can break. Why I'm saying so, because we have already seen 15,900 break today, but it did not sustain above. It just made a high of 15,901. So tomorrow is high possibility that Nifty can break this 15,900 level. But if it breaks, then what next? So if 15,900 breaks, then Nifty going to touch 16,000 very soon. And if you will check the put side data, if you'll see at ATM, what we see, the short build up, and if I talk about the maximum OI, we see the maximum OI at 15,800. That is something you need to alert, right? It should be a triggering, right? Because if you see on put side, high maximum OI just near to the ATM, and even if you check, you see the maximum addition happened at that level today. So that means traders are more confident about 15,800 that it is not going to break. That means Nifty will go further up. Same, we have seen the confidence of trader is losing at call side. Call writers are reduced their position. They did short covering on the call side, but the same time they made some short build up at put side. So that means that they are thinking that Nifty will go further up. So this is important, and if 15,800 breaks, let's say if it start going down, that is a very rare possibility, because if you do not see this kind of data in the call side, so you won't think that Nifty will go down. The way the data is creating, it is actually making you more confident that Nifty will definitely go up, because at ATM level, huge put writing, we can see it, and after that there is another data is created at 15,700. so that means if 15,800 breaks, then 15,700 is the next support. But again, I'm telling you, because 15,700 is also, we see that put writing happen, and then after 15,800 we see the strong support. Now yesterday I was talking about that 15,700 having strong support, but now I'm talking about 15,800 having strong support because of the these data: short covering at call side and short build up at put side, and more addition. So this is clearly visible that we are going to touch 16,000 very soon. So as per this OI data, it's very interesting to see tomorrow that whether Nifty touch 16,000 tomorrow, or it takes one more day to touch 16,000, because data looks very positive now. If I talk about the bear side, 15,800 is the strong support level. It should not break. If it is breaking, that means it can go further down to the 15,700. But the possibility for going down is very less, right? And if there is anything come up, because the market, if anything comes up, any news or anything comes up that can change the market mood, for that we know that what we need to do, we need to check the change in OI data. This data I'm talking about, call side data and the put side change in OI data on the live market. So whenever you trade, you must need to check every few minutes. You need to check what happened in the change in OI data. So if you track the change in OI data, you will understand where the Nifty is moving. In the live market, you need to check change in OI data every now and then. For that, I already explained that we have a very good sheet that you can use it to track the data. So I hope you like this analysis video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. If you share this video, that can help to others, and it can motivate me to make more videos like this that can help you every single day, and it can enhance your analysis skills, and that you can use for your live trading. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.